Yo guys, I'm HP and today I'm gonna introduce a new member to the HPCrazy family, the cat. As you can see, 7-string guitar. I was always looking for a 7-string guitar, and so I checked the internet. What is available is at the moment is not much available, but I found this one here somewhere. Yeah, on the original website of Schecter. Then I wanted to buy it. It was sold out everywhere, and then I popped into my local music store, and there at the wall the guitar was hanging. And that was really funny. Normally when you buy a guitar in a store, you probably know that you go in the store, then you say, can I play the guitar you want to try out? And then you test for like 1 or 2 hours, then you come back 1 week later, then you probably buy it. I went in, saw the guitar, then I said to the guy, he came to me, can I help? He said, yeah, I want this guitar. Then he said, okay, you want to try it? I install an amp and get you a chair. I said, no, I buy it. I said, what? His jaw nearly dropped on the floor. I said, no, I buy it. Without testing. Because it's the cat, it's really cool. As soft as a cat can be. But also as hard biting as a cat can be. I really love this stuff here. Honestly, it's really cool. But one problem when you play a 7-string guitar, it's not the same as 6, obviously it's 1 string more. And the orientation is extremely hard. But I want to share my experience on the 7-string guitar and the new sounds I'm creating here on the channel. So if you have a 7-string guitar, you can check out what I'm doing. Or you probably also want to get one of yours. Also singing works better on this one. I can play blues now and sing. I woke this morning, I got myself a beer. I woke this morning. Yeah, somehow the pitch matches better, but all people say I should not sing, so I probably better leave it. It's really cool. So, the new member in the HPCrazy Guitar family, also for tapping, is probably going to be great. Wow, it's really cool. But it will probably take me some time to really get along with this, that I don't need to think about so much about the playing. As I said, the orientation is really tough because it really disturbs the orientation when you think the guitar this way, not this way, and I think it this way, and then I need to think the guitar differently with this one, and that will take a moment. I'm gonna share my journey to you fans. Let's see what happens. 7-string is really cool. If you want to expand the sound possibility of your guitar, and in modern rock, of course, with all you can do all this dropped stuff. Since I'm a huge fan of 5-finger death punch, I'm probably can do now. Finally, I can do a tutorial because they really play a lot with these dropped tunings. Good. So that's the cat.